E sono muoio de partigiano. Oh bella ciao, 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 e sono muoio.
What's going on here? What are you making, Chef Buzzi?
Mamma mia, I'm cooking the pasta.
Funny thing, did you know pasta isn't originally Italian?
Mamma mia, what? What are you saying to me? An international con job? Like what's next? Spaghetti made in space?
Oh boy, here we go. Let me explain. Pasta in Italy is more than just food. It's practically a sacred ritual. Claiming it's not Italian is like telling Americans the hamburger was invented in France.
Don't mess with my heart like that. Next you'll tell me Tony Soprano was secretly on Weight Watchers.
Chill out, Buzzy. Pasta has quite the adventurous history. And no, it doesn't involve mobsters or Olive Garden's endless breadsticks, although spiritually speaking, maybe.
And there it is again. Yes, yes. You keep saying that. Are you hypnotizing me into cooking dinner forever?
If it works, then yes, yes. I mean, stick with me. Or should I say, pasta with me.
Ooh. Hey, 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 it's Izzi and Buzzi. Learning is cool and weird stuff's a plus. We dive deep then laugh out loud. Science and fun, we're super proud. Izzi's got brains and Baz is bold. Every episode is pure gold. So click subscribe and come along. Join the crew, you can't go wrong.
All right, guys, gather round for the pasta saga of epic proportions. Let me break it down because the history of pasta is juicier than a Netflix drama and longer than a Lord of the Rings marathon. You've probably heard the noodle fairy tale. Marco Polo brought pasta from China in the 13th century. People say he came back with noodles and boom, Italy invented spaghetti night. Cute story, but that's about as accurate as saying Forrest Gump invented Facebook. Entertaining? Sure. True? Nope. The truth? Italians were twirling pasta long before Marco Polo ever sampled dumplings. In the 9th century, Arab traders introduced the brilliant trick of drying pasta to Sicily. That made it the iPhone of food.
And the world's thinnest and lightest spaghetti.
Durable, portable, and always ready for those 2 a.m. cravings. Like your phone magically knowing you're about to order Uber Eats. Picture this. Ships sailing across the Mediterranean. Not smuggling treasure, but fettuccine. Even Al-Idrisi, the famous Arab geographer, wrote in the 12th century about a Sicilian city pumping out long strands of pasta and exporting them everywhere. Basically, Europe's first food commercial. And no, you couldn't skip after 5 seconds. And pasta wasn't just a Southern Italian thing. It spread faster than TikTok dances your uncle tries at Thanksgiving. Awkward, unstoppable, and everywhere. Naples and Sicily became the OG influencers, thanks to their durum wheat, which gave pasta that firm al dente bite. As Italians moved north, every region went full DIY. Bologna crafted tagliatelle, Genoa whipped up trophy, and tiny villages invented pastas. Fast forward to today, guys. Pasta has gone full celebrity mode. Yes, yes, let's check this out together. In Tuscany, you can book luxury tours, golden wheat fields, Michelin star chefs, and 400-year-old villas. That's not dinner, that's a Taylor Swift music video, with spaghetti as the main character. On the Amalfi Coast, pasta gets VIP treatment. White truffles, caviar, $100 plates. That's Kardashian-level flex. Some menus even hit $200. Explaining that to your mom? Harder than explaining TikTok to your dad.
Mine tastes better, and it's free.
And pasta didn't stop in Italy. Nope, it went full global superstar. In Northern Europe, they drown it in cream. In Latin America, it's spicier than a telenovela plot twist. And in Asia, it mutates into ramen pasta hybrids. Pasta is the Beyoncé of carbs. Always on tour, always reinventing. And then there's Gragnano, the so-called pasta capital of the world. Whole streets turn into spaghetti festivals. Imagine Mardi Gras, but instead of beads, people throw rigatoni. That's cultural power. So yes, pasta today isn't just food, it's history, business, flex culture, and pride all rolled into one.
And carbs.
Exactly, the best carbs.
So let me get this straight. Pasta is older than Marco Polo, richer than Elon Musk, and more addictive than Netflix. And it even outflexes the Kardashians.
Exactly. And unlike the Kardashians, you can boil it in 10 minutes and everyone's happy.
Fair point. Pasta is history, culture, and a free one-way ticket to Italy, minus the baggage fees.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell us in the comments, if pasta could take you anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I'm saying Olive Garden. Unlimited breadsticks, that's the real American dream.
Only you, Buzzy. Only you.